transmission of hepatitis B is purely by blood and body secretions. So this is what we call a blood-borne virus, just like hepatitis C. In contrast to hepatitis A and E, which we call orophycal transmitted viruses. So pag sinabi natin blood-borne, so it can be transmitted through sexual contact, blood transfusion, sharing of needles, okay, lalo na among intravenous drug users, sharing of anything that gets in contact with blood, so shavers, razors, nippers, okay. And I always tell, yung tattooing is also one mode of transmission because sabi ng pasyente, doc, sterile naman yung needle. Yes, that's true. But the ink na pinagsasawsawan ng needle, repeatedly by different people, pag hindi yun solong ginagamit ng isa, then you can still transmit the virus.